Have you ever popped your hood and seen something that looked like this? Stick around so I can show you the easiest way to clean your battery terminals with something you already have laying around your house. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Mason and I am a Ford technician here at the dealership. Today I want to show you guys a very simple and easy way to clean corrosion off of your battery terminals. This is something that an older guy showed me years ago and I have been using it ever since. Coffee. Yeah, you heard that right. Coffee cleans corrosion off of battery terminals than anything I think I have ever used. I've tried battery terminal cleaner, Coke, and pretty much anything that you can think of to clean corrosion, and nothing has worked quite as well as hot coffee has to clean that corrosion off your battery terminals. I figured most of you probably figured that I'm full of it, so I decided that I would demonstrate it for you. So here I have a very corroded battery terminal, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the battery terminal and I'm going to completely submerge it in a cup of hot coffee. Sometimes you might have to remove the battery to be able to get the wire, the terminal, in a position that you can completely submerge it, because sometimes the wires can be really tight going to that battery. Usually my process is to dunk the terminal in the coffee and let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes. So we will come back here in 30 to 45 minutes and see what our results are. So here's the battery terminal after 30 minutes of being submerged in the coffee. I usually use a wire brush to knock off any residual corrosion that might still be lingering around on the terminal. It will fall off very easily after you do this. I now just reinstall that battery terminal onto the battery post using some dielectric grease and cover that with a little bit of battery protector. All right, so there you have it. That is how to clean your battery terminals using only coffee. I do not know if Folgers or Maxwell House or Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks, I don't know which one works best. I just use whatever I have laying around. All of them probably are about the same. As always, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, would you please go down there and mash that thumbs up button for me? That really helps me out. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so that you can find your way back for the next video. Last but not least, let me know down in the comments some of you guys's, that just sounds weird, let me know some of y'all's methods for cleaning battery terminals. I'm sure y'all have some good ideas, some good ones that I would be very interested to hear about, so hit me up down in the comments. So that's gonna wrap us up for this one. I really appreciate you guys watching. Again, I know I've already said that probably 4 times, but I'm gonna say it one more time. I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.